Bad Psychics.
What a day.
What happened?
I'm just off. Something doesn't feel right. I'm just off.
What channel am I on?
4.
Nope. Channel 3. You were close.
I can't make a living being an off sidekick. You know, people come to the booth and they ask me what their names are. They pay good money.
Go on.
I tell them the names of the actors of the show that they saw before they got there.
Well, I've been feeling the same way. I've been feeling kind of off too.
Something just feels empty.
You should have known that was empty. You're a sidekick. And I told you we needed more cereal.
Hey, watch out!
What?
Who's not even close? Well, you're gonna get a package in the mail from the mailman.
Yes.
Someone left a package for you.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Not even close!
Oh, by the way, your girlfriend's gonna call and break up with you.
I know. Hello? Yeah, sure. It's for you.
Hello? What? Baby, I can change. Hello?
What happened?
She broke up with me.
Not even close.